Memphis Public Library customers. I am June, your chair yoga instructor, and thank you for joining me for this quick chair yoga session. And as you know, chair yoga is just to help you breathe and stretch and get familiar and comfortable with your body. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and jump right in. Our intention today is loving your body, not judging it. It's not your enemy, it is your friend. Love your body. So go ahead and flutter your eyes closed. Take a deep inhale in and exhale out through your mouth. Again, inhale in through your nose and out through your mouth. Lower your chest down. Relax your shoulders. Begin to come into your space and plant your feet firmly on the floor. Secure yourself in your chair and sit up straight. Let's take another breath. This time, let's make it very deep and we can feel it all the way in our body. Take a deep inhale in and exhale out through your mouth. Feels good. One more time, friends. Inhale in through your mouth and out through your mouth. Good. Now, if you just like to listen to the sound of my voice, feel free to flutter your eyes closed, but if you're ready for our first posture, flutter your eyes open. Bring your feet together. Hold your palms face down and give yourself a bear hug. Wrap one arm in two. And squeeze up. Inhale. Lift your chest. Lift your chin up. And exhale. Lower your chin and let your chest fall. Again, plant your feet. Inhale. Lifting your chest. And let your chin flow up. And exhale. Releasing your chest and your chin follows. Good job. One more time. Inhale. Lift your chest. There you go. And bring your chin up. And hold for 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Bring your hands freely to your lap. Good. Ready for our next posture? This time, place your hands firmly under your chair. Bring your feet together. Lean forward just slightly and twist to your most favorite side. Slight twist. Let your eyes follow. Relax your gaze. Breathing normally. And back to center. Good job. Ready? Plant your feet. Make sure they're secure. Good. Lean forward. And twist to the opposite. Let your gaze follow. Soften your gaze. Loving your body. Just warming your body up. Just moving in different planes. And back to center. Good job. Let's do that one more time. Your hands are firmly planted under the chair. Plant your feet. Lean forward slowly. And twist. Soften your gaze. And return to center. Good job. Again, you're leaning forward. And a twist. You should feel in your lower back just a slight pull. And soften your gaze. And release back to center. And this time, friends, inhale to mountain pose. Good. And exhale. Release your hands back to your lap. Again, inhale, mountain pose. Good. Sitting up straight. Lower your shoulders down your back. Exhale. Bring your hands to your lap. Last time. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale. Hands to your lap. Very good, friends. Bring your hands to Samastiti, hands to heart center. And let's do some breathing exercises. Flow your eyes closed. stillness. Knowing in your spirit and in yourself that your body is your friend, a representation of who you are. Showing your body love through breath and movement. Take an inhale in through your nose and release through your nose. Again, deep inhale in through your nose. Lift your chest and exhale through your nose. Again, inhale through your nose and hold it for 4, 3, chest lifted, 2, 1, exhale through your nose. Ground your feet down. Take a moment to your friends. Breathe normally. Thank you for joining me today for a session of chair yoga. And as always, I look forward to seeing you next time. Namaste.